Good morning. Look at that. Hillside Guest Farm. I'm telling you, what a stay we had here. It was just a brief stay, one night, but so calm and relaxed. When we turned the lights off and I went to the bathroom in the middle of the night, the stars are ridiculous. It was crazy how many stars there are. You just can't believe. When you're in the cities, you just don't see them. It's like, it was bright because of the stars. It was really insane. This is a place I will definitely recommend. Hillside Guest Farm. On the N9, you turn off a little bit of gravel road between George and Uniondale. A beautiful place. Do yourselves a favor and come and visit this place. Today is an exciting day. We're heading all the way, going to a place called Crew Guest Farm, another farm we're staying on. We've got quite a distance to go. We've got about 193 kilometers to travel. It's all the way through mountain passes. We're going to shoot through Oudtshoorn. We featured Oudtshoorn before, but the only way to get there is through Oudtshoorn. So we're going to be traveling on some of the roads we've done before. But then just other side Karlitsdorp, there's a place that goes through a stunning pass again, which we're going to go and explore. So the next couple of episodes are going to be about this travel all the way through to the Crew Guest Farm, which is in the middle of the Karoo. So let's get going. It's funny, this morning it was all cloudy, and now that we're leaving, the sun's shining. But yeah, goodbye to the wild fig on Hillside Guest Farm.
Yeah, sad.
Beautiful place though. Beautiful
sad
place.
This morning to leave.
Yeah.
Wow. It's an incredible place.
Yeah, it's really stunning. One just feels the peace and quiet.
Silence.
You just feel it inside, yeah.
I just stood there for a moment inside now, just the silence.
Yeah, crazy. Let me open the gate. Ostriches again. And look how they come closer. Hey. Hey. Hello. All inquisitive, eh? All just females, looks like to me. The long and winding road, this one's just not winding. Straight to the mountains.
Who'd have thought we would see ostriches here, eh?
That's amazing, and there's a lot of them. Oh, that's a pretty view. I think that's Oudtshoorn there in the distance.
Oh, it's one of my favorite towns, eh? Love it. I love Oudtshoorn.
Oudtshoorn.
In all its glory.
Yeah. It's not that big.
No, I don't think it's a huge town.
Smitswinkel.
Yeah, restaurant and farm store.
Nice. Just as you come into Oudtshoorn, how's this Cadillac? There's a caddy on the top there. What's that?
And is that another one?
Wow, I don't know what that is. It's beautiful. Interesting.
Yeah.
Hey. Hello. Hello? Hello? Cute. Check those butterflies. Sunflowers. Your favorite, the cats?
Always.
This is so much to see. How's this rooster? Wow. Bright colors, eh? Smitswinkel menus.
Rather large.
Telling you, massive. Chickens and ducks and hello. Even with putt down here. Mini golf. We've just left Smitswinkel and wow, what a lekker brunch we had. It was stunning. Sonia had the pasta and I had a nice 3-egg omelette. Really great.